Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a spa-like haven where the beauty of the tropical garden meets the functionality of a modern bathroom. Here's how this unique space unfolds: natural connection, openness. When possible, consider an open floor plan concept. Consult an architect/engineer for structural feasibility. This creates a sense of spaciousness and allows for a seamless connection with the lush greenery outside. Large windows or a strategically placed skylight bathes the bathroom in natural light and allows for glimpses of the tropical paradise. Shower oasis. If an open floor plan isn't possible, explore creating a walk-in shower with a glass wall facing the garden. This allows you to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while showering. Warm and earthy tones, light would embrace. Light-colored wood elements like vanities, countertops, or even wall panels echo the warmth of the surrounding wooden house and create a natural and inviting atmosphere. Earthy color palette. Opt for calming neutrals like beige, cream, or a light green for the walls and floor tiles. This creates a serene base for pops of tropical color, tropical touches with functionality. Living elements. Strategically placed potted plants like orchids or ferns add a touch of vibrant greenery and freshness. Consider wall-mounted planters or hanging baskets to maximize space in a small bathroom. Pops of color. Introduce pops of color inspired by tropical flowers and foliage. Opt for turquoise, coral, or a vibrant yellow in towels, bath mats, or artwork. Natural stone accents. Incorporate natural stone elements like pebble flooring in the shower or a stone countertop for the vanity. This adds a touch of luxury and complements the natural aesthetic. Space optimization in a small design. Wall-mounted fixtures. Utilize wall-mounted toilets and vanities to free up floor space and create a sense of spaciousness. Shower niche or caddy. Maximize storage by incorporating a built-in shower niche for toiletries or a hanging shower caddy. Mirrors for depth. Strategically placed mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Relaxation and spa vibes. Walk-in shower with rainfall head. Opt for a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head for a luxurious and spa-like experience. Freestanding bathtub, optional if space allows. Consider incorporating a freestanding bathtub for ultimate relaxation. Opt for a natural stone material to complement the design. Dimmable lighting. Plan for dimmable lighting to create a calming atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a long day. Overall vibe. The bathroom is a tranquil oasis, designed to promote relaxation and connection with nature. Light-colored wood, calming colors, natural materials, and strategically placed greenery create a spa-like atmosphere. Pops of tropical color add a touch of vibrancy without compromising the serene ambience. The design utilizes clever space-saving solutions and maximizes functionality in a small footprint. Here are some reasons to design the bathroom of a modern small wooden house with a tropical garden in mind. Enhanced connection with nature, spa-like tranquility. The design creates a bathroom that feels like an extension of the outdoor paradise. Natural light, lush greenery, and earthy tones bring the beauty of the tropics indoors, fostering a calming, rejuvenating atmosphere. Open shower concept, if possible, allows you to enjoy the sights and sounds of the garden while showering, creating a truly immersive and luxurious experience. Aesthetics and ambience, warmth and serenity. Light-colored wood and calming colors create a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxation and self-care. Tropical flair. Pops of color inspired by tropical flowers and strategically placed plants add a touch of vibrancy and personality to the space. Sustainable statement. The use of natural materials like wood and stone aligns with the natural beauty of the tropics and showcases a commitment to sustainability. Space optimization in a small house. Wall-mounted fixtures. Maximize floor space and create a sense of spaciousness with wall-mounted toilets and vanities. Vertical storage solutions. Utilize wall-mounted shelves, hanging planters, or a shower niche for toiletries to optimize storage in a limited space. Mirrors for depth. Strategically placed mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Additional benefits: natural light and ventilation. large windows or strategically placed skylights allow for ample natural light and potentially improved ventilation, reducing reliance on artificial lighting and creating a more natural environment. Sensory experience. The incorporation of natural elements like plants and natural stone adds a touch of luxury and creates a multi-sensory experience that promotes relaxation. Overall, a tropical-inspired bathroom design offers a unique and functional solution for a modern small wooden house. It fosters a connection with nature, maximizes space utilization, and creates a beautiful and inviting atmosphere for relaxation and rejuvenation. Here's a roadmap to kickstart designing the bathroom of your modern small wooden house with a tropical garden in mind. 1. Assess your space, measure up, take precise measurements of your bathroom area, including doorways, windows, plumbing fixtures, and any ventilation points. This will help you plan the layout and placement of fixtures, furniture, and plants. Sun exposure. Identify where the sun enters the room throughout the day. This will influence your decisions on window treatments and where to position plants for optimal light. 2. Openness for connection. If possible, consult a professional. Explore the possibility of an open floor plan concept. However, this requires consulting with a structural engineer to ensure removing walls doesn't compromise the house's integrity. Maximizing natural light. If an open concept isn't feasible, prioritize large windows or a skylight to bathe the space in natural light and create a connection with the garden visually. 3. Embrace natural materials, light wood for vanities and countertops. Opt for light-colored wood for vanities, countertops, or even wall panels. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere while complementing the surrounding house and garden. Earthy color palette. Choose calming neutrals like beige, cream, or a light green for the walls and floor tiles. This creates a serene base for pops of tropical color. 4. Plan for tropical touches, living plants for freshness. Strategically place potted plants like orchids or ferns to add a touch of vibrant greenery. Consider hanging planters, wall-mounted planters, or a small plant stand to maximize space. Pops of color. Introduce pops of color inspired by tropical flowers and foliage. Opt for turquoise, coral, or a vibrant yellow in towels, bath mats, or artwork. Natural stone accents. Incorporate natural stone elements for a touch of luxury. Consider pebble flooring in the shower, a stone countertop for the vanity, or strategically placed stone accents like soap dishes. 5. Maximize space with smart design, wall-mounted fixtures. Utilize wall-mounted toilets, vanities, and towel racks to free up floor space and create a sense of spaciousness. Vertical storage solutions. Install wall-mounted shelves, hanging baskets, or a built-in shower niche for toiletries and maximize storage in a limited space. Mirrors for depth. Strategically placed mirrors reflect light and visually expand the space. 6. Prioritize relaxation. Walk-in shower with rainfall head. Consider a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head for a luxurious and spa-like experience. Freestanding bathtub, optional if space allows. Consider incorporating a freestanding bathtub made from natural stone for ultimate relaxation. Dimmable lighting. Plan for dimmable lighting to create a calming atmosphere perfect for unwinding. Additional tips. Tropical artwork. Personalize the space with artwork or photographs that evoke the beauty of the tropics. Shower curtain with tropical design. Choose a shower curtain with a tropical pattern or vibrant colors to add a touch of personality. Natural ventilation. If possible, consider ways to improve natural ventilation, such as installing a window fan or strategically placed vents. By following these steps and keeping the connection to your tropical garden at the forefront of your design choices, you can create a truly unique and tranquil bathroom retreat in your modern small wooden house. Modern small house bathroom design. Don't miss out. Unlock the secrets to luxurious, space-saving bathrooms that open up to breathtaking tropical gardens. Watch now, find inspiration for your dream oasis. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.